What up, guys? This is Pastor Canavi again. We're coming up with another tutorial with Python. So we just learned in the previous video or tutorial about random numbers, and now we're going to be doing a little project with fortune cookies. I think that's kind of like the easy to grasp to understand how random numbers can work. Right? We're going to start. Yeah, we're going to import the module, just random. We got it right there. And now we're going to do the lucky number, which is going to have the values of random that run in the inbuilt function, which we have random, and then we're going to give you values of from 1 comma to 100. Okay, which is going to be lucky number. Now we need another variable, which is going to be fortune cookies, and this is going to be also going to be random that it's going to be from 1 to 3, because you only need those 3 random numbers right there, because that's where the string is going to go. And then we have fortune text. This is going to be just to empty string, entry single quotes. And then we are going to have if statements. If let's look at this one. If fortune cookies equals to 1 column, we're going to print fortune text. And I have a we're going to do the first one. Do not mistake temptation. Do not mistake temptation. Do not mistake temptation for opportunity. Okay, we get the first one, so let's just copy all of this. Let's go to the next one. Now let's change that in here. So number 2, number 3, and right here we're going to do flattery. I got that from the internet. Flattery will go 4. We'll go 4 to 9. I don't know what that means. Sounds kind of cool, I guess. And then for the last one, I say the greatest danger could be your stupidity. What? The greatest danger could be your stupidity. Okay. All right, we got that. Now let's print that on the console and see what we got. And right here we're going to use a f string, and then so we can add our variables in here. Curly brackets, and then we have, so what we want to accomplish here, so we want this to be print the fortune text. Every time if fortune cookies equals to 1, it will print this. Go to 2, it will do that. Equals to 3, it's going to do that. So let's do fortune text fortune text. Okay, so it will say Flutter will go 4 tonight and your lucky number is, and your lucky number is curly brackets again, and we are going to add lucky number, the variable lucky number. Okay, let's print that and see how that works out. Ready? Let's see. Let's click the button. Let's run it. All right, first one. Do not mistake temptation for opportunity, and your lucky number is 67. Nice. Okay, let's do it again. Lucky number 70 is giving me the same thing. It's because there's only from 1 to 3. It might give me just the same stuff for a couple, 3 times maybe. See? Number 5 is lucky number. Still give me the same thing. Let's do it. Oh yeah, it changed it finally. The greatest danger could be your stupidity. Your lucky number is 64. Let's see what it's going to give me again. Same. Okay, now we got the last one. That's not the last one, second one. Flutter will go 4 tonight and your lucky number is 21. As you can tell, the program worked. Our fortune cookie little program worked. So that was fun. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully helping your journey. Please like the video and then subscribe to the channel, so we gotta keep on growing little by little but steady. All right, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.